Well, hello again, guys. Welcome to my channel, ArtDev. Here is Andrew Henry talking to you, completing what we've been talking about yesterday. Today we'll be drawing a couple of arm designs and basic structure to understand how can we draw a nice arm. Well, first of all, here we got a line. We're going to split this line from the middle, and we're going to add circle here, and a triangle here. Triangle here. Another small triangle here too. Well, first I'm going to add this egg shape with another line inside of it. I'm going to lower this circle a bit down because I'm not comfort with it. Here, adding here's our arm. Okay, here is the very basic structure of the arm. So, when you start to add details, you will notice that this part of the body, the deltoid, is consistent of 3 muscles. There is 1. And here's 2. The second one is bigger than the first one. And the third one, of course, is smaller because it turns around to the back, so you can see it fully. After that, we see the biceps, the elbow, and here we got the forearm, here's the bone, and here's the arm. Fine. Let's apply this arm to another creature. Let's say we're drawing again the bug. There's 4 here. Getting some shades here too. Some liquid like an ectoplasm or something. Here. Doing the same what we did here, adding thumb first, some soft skin like this one, and adding the forearm, trying to measure this part, adding it here from here to here, so it's gonna end here. Let's draw some more feminine arm. As you can see here, it turns from thick, narrow, thick to narrow. There's that fingers of this arm could be like this. To make it more simple, as I've said before, drawing female hands and parts are curvy or very simpler than drawing the male counterpart. As for these muscles, always remember that these muscles are very important to give tone arm. As you can see here, here's 1, 2, 3 main muscles of the deltoid. This one is kind of small, this one is large, this one is between those two. It's not small as this one or big as this one. Sometimes other artists, such as Alvin Lee or Joe Mad, make splits by adding muscle tissues. Splits like we see in the Hulk or other comics or other TV shows or something, that when they do splits, they do it like this. And to take each muscle of those 3 muscles and add another detailed one. It's shades, of course. Remember that there's this here, here is another muscle here. This part. When we shade it, must take notice about the lights. Try first by adding single source of light. After that, try adding second source. Then add more complex to your illustrations by making it more and more. To turn your 2D drawings into full 3D dimensional shapes and help you create whatever you want. Well, here's our today's episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Looking forward to be talking to you again, and tomorrow we will be talking about how can we add math shapes on top of each others to help us create rightful standing, fine standing character design. Sometimes we create a character but we don't have how he's going to move or how he's going to act or how he's going to fight or run or doing what he needs to live his daily life. Tomorrow we'll be talking about this issue, and if you got any more questions, please post them in the comment section or send them to me to my social media links. Many thanks, guys, and goodbye.